Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Right now, Quant's cost is exchanging around $104.11, which is practically 263% down from the last week. Also, in the beyond 24 hours, QNT has figured out how to acquire just 28%. Regardless of the negative opinion, Quant holds the possibility to soar and could raise a ruckus around town mark by 2025. Look at our inside and out examination and track down replies to your inquiries. For example, is QNT a wise speculation? Could QNT crypto reach $1,000? Right away, we should jump into our speedy Quant value expectation and afterward the coin's outline. In light of our Quant cost expectation, the cost of Quant will cross the $142.82 mark toward the finish of 2024. As per our Quant crypto cost expectation 2025, the fate of QNT crypto is splendid, and it could cross the $205.35 mark in 2025. Our QNT cost expectation to 2030 demonstrates that the coin could raise a ruckus around town value level of $1,348.44. What is Quant? Dispersed Record Innovation DLT outperforms the restrictions of blockchain, giving answers for unanswered inquiries. It empowers secure and savvy resource trade, offering interoperability across frameworks and organizations. DLT benefits endeavors, legislatures, and people around the world, driving worth, opening new business sectors, and expanding proficiency. Gilbert Verdian followed Quant in 2015, adding to enabling and speeding up individuals' lives. DLT, the beginning of Quant, addresses versatility issues, guaranteeing quicker and more reasonable exchanges. Dissimilar to blockchain, Quant kills excess expenses and empowers quicker exchanges. It offers a decentralized agreement, making clients bosses of approval. Quant as blockchain doesn't need go-betweens. With a market capitalization of $1,246,437,463 and an exchanging volume of $18,389,501, Quant has a great deal to shock financial backers. Quant value has to its dishonor being the slowest and its credit being the reliably developing crypto resource classification. The pioneers behind Quant are profoundly hopeful that being a pioneer, the mass reception of Quant has a great deal of vows to see for its fans. The ongoing cost of Quant remains at $104.11 and is set to soar because of the expansion sought after for Quant later on. How about we look at digital currency market well-qualified's perspective on Quant expectations? In view of the authentic value developments of Quant and the BTC dividing cycles, the yearly low Quant cost expectation for 2025 is assessed at $87.81. In the meantime, the cost of Quant is anticipated to reach as high as $561.45 1 year from now. Starting around 2024 January 31, Wednesday current cost of QNT is $104.490, and our information demonstrates that the resource cost has been in a downtrend for the beyond 1 year, or since its commencement. As per our ongoing Quant price forecast, the worth of Quant will expanded by 231.47%, coming to $378.89 by end of 2026. All specialized pointers show that the ongoing opinion is negative, while the apprehension and covetousness record is perusing 2003, and that implies intense trepidation. As indicated by digital money specialized experts, a blended pattern shows benefit as well as dangers. In any case, the eventual fate of QNT crypto is chiefly bullish. Despite the fact that it is challenging to foresee the value activity of Quant organization, the coin reflects potential, and contrasted with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so forth, it shows some obstruction. By virtue of instability, any kind of fantastical crypto coin value forecast would be a difficult undertaking. Notwithstanding, going by the master value gauges and market feelings, the ongoing opinion looks quite good. Keeping in context how Quant shares the rationale and data set of various gadgets that altogether run, it makes the exchanges more solid and productive. This could drive Quant's versatility rate and increment its valuation in the forthcoming years, according to our Quant token cost expectation. QNT Value Expectations 2024. In the year 2024, our Quant cost expectation recommends that the token might hit a normal cost of $142.82. Taking into account the QNT cost investigation, it can possibly arrive at a limit of $183.31, while the base cost might be $102.33. January 2024, Quant token value figure. Quant token costs are gauged to arrive at new highs in January 2024, with a base expected cost of $102.33 and a limit of $116.33. In light of prescient examination, the month-to-month token cost is projected to be around $109.33, demonstrating critical development potential for Quant contrasted with the ongoing valuation. QNT value conjecture for February 2024. In February 2024, Quant token costs are anticipated to go from at least $111.10 to a limit of $120.85. As per conjectures, the typical month-to-month cost is supposed to be roughly $115.98. This focus is to proceed with forward movement and potential gain potential for Quant valuation. Walk 2024, Quant token value conjecture. A base cost of $115.76 and a limit of $125.51 are expected. In light of prescient models, the typical month-to-month token cost ought to land around $120.64, highlighting Quant's true capacity for vigorous development contrasted with current levels. Quant value gauge for April 2024. In April 2024, Quant costs are supposed to go from at least $118.19 to a limit of $131.57. As indicated by investigation, the typical cost ought to settle around $124.88 for the month, displaying a proceeded with positive direction and potential gain for Quant. May 2024, Quant value conjecture. Quant costs are projected to areas of strength for stay May 2024, with a gauge least of $121.74 and a limit of $137.75. In view of prescient models, the typical month-to-month token cost is supposed to be around $129.75, highlighting Quant's true capacity for proceeded with development and potential gain energy contrasted with the present levels. QNT value estimate for June 2024. In June 2024, QNT token costs are estimated to go from at least $125.70 to a limit of $144.05. As indicated by examination, the typical cost is projected to settle around $134.88 for the month. July 2024, Quant token value gauge. Come July 2024, the gauge for Quant token stays great, with costs assessed to vary between a low of $128.32 and a high of $149.30. Calculating examiners project the typical exchanging cost will drift close $138.81 throughout the month. QNT value gauge for August 2024. Bullish projections see Quant token qualities running between $133.67 to $155.97 in August 2024, showing proceeded with liveliness. Quantitative demonstrating pinpoints $144.82 as the plausible normal cost consistently. September 2024, Quant value expectation. Quant tokens are prepared to exchange between a negative lower part of $136.45 and a bullish top of $161.54 in light of gauge models. Quantitative examination proposes a typical cost of $148.95 consistently. QNT value expectation for October 2024. In October 2024, Quant costs are anticipated to go between $140.37 at the least and $168.63 at the most noteworthy. As per gauges, the typical month-to-month cost ought to be around $154.50. November 2024, Quant value estimate. At the point when November